Breakfast, 63. Serves 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons milk, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1/2 white onion, diced 1/2 bell pepper, dice 2 handfuls of spinach in a small bowl. Whisk together the eggs, milk, and a pinch of salt. Heat a medium-sized pan over medium heat with olive oil. Once hot, sauté the onions until tender and then add in the peppers. When cooked through, remove from pan and set aside. Return the pan to heat and scramble the eggs. When the eggs are halfway cooked, add in the onions and peppers, along with spinach and avocado. Mix gently and take scramble off of the stove. Place scramble in a tortilla or gluten-free English muffin. Top with pesto and goat cheese, adding salt and or pepper to taste. Vegetable scramble, 1/2 avocado. Dice 2 tablespoons pesto, crumbled goat cheese, salt and pepper to taste optional. Spinach or corn tortilla or gluten-free English muffin. 64. Serves 1/2 cup rolled oats, 1 cup water, teaspoon salt, 2 strawberries, 1 teaspoon cinnamon in a pot. Heat water, oats, and salt on medium-low temperature. Cook the oatmeal for approximately 15-20 minutes, stirring occasionally, or until the oats completely absorb the water. While the oatmeal is cooking, slice the strawberries in vertical thin slices. In a bowl, mix together cinnamon, vanilla, and maple syrup. Once oatmeal is cooked, empty the pot of oatmeal into the maple syrup mixture and stir until coated evenly. Add fruit and coconut. Enjoy. Morning Glory oatmeal, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1/4 cup maple syrup, 10 blueberries, 5 raspberries, 1 handful of shredded coconut. 65. Serves 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon coconut oil, 1 clove garlic, minced 1 medium sweet potato, cubed 1/2 teaspoon salt in a skillet. Melt 1 tablespoon of coconut oil on medium heat. Add in the garlic, sweet potatoes, and seasonings. Cook until potatoes are tender. Remove from heat and plate the hash. In the same skillet, heat 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and crack in the eggs. Cook until over easy yolk does not jiggle, and slide them onto the sweet potato hash. Enjoy. Sunny side up EGGS with sweet potato hash, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 1/2 teaspoon dry thyme, 2 pastured eggs.